Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Actually, guys, before starting manual testing topics, I want to discuss a few things about how to start, where to start your career, and where you have to start learning about software testing. Okay, and what you have to learn in the software testing first. Okay, this video is mainly for the freshers and the people who are from the non-IT sectors. Okay, so here I have made a small PPT for as a roadmap for software testing. Okay, here I'm going to explain you that where you have to start your career in software testing and what you have to learn. Okay, so here I'm going to explain you what are the technologies are used to start in the testing field. If you are a fresher or from non-IT sector, you have to start with manual testing concepts. Okay. Along with manual testing, you should also know one testing process, that is agile testing. Okay. Without agile testing, you can't learn anything. So you have to learn agile testing. So guys, so before going into this, I want to tell. See, manual testing is the foundation for all the testers. So without manual testing, you can't do other testing, because in this foundation, you're going to learn what are the types of testing you're going to do here, and what are the things you're going to test, and how you will track the defects in the application, and how you are going to sort out those defects, how you are going to fix the defects. Okay, all those things you will learn at this stage itself as a manual testing. By using the tool Jira, you are going to track the defect, and you are going to troubleshoot the defect. Okay, so this is the main basic and important uh, testing process. Okay, so in that, nowadays in all the companies they are using agile testing. It is very important to be learned by all the testers, because in agile testing it is fast growing process in all the testing field. Okay, so to do agile testing, we are using many tools, but most popularly used tool is Jira and Kanban Scrum methodology. They are following Scrum methodology in agile process. Okay, so all those things are very much important. So in manual testing, it is a theoretical based subject. Here you are not going to learn any coding language. There is no need of programming language. There is no need of any code. It is totally full and full. It is a theoretical based subject. So it is very easy to learn even for a non-IT people and freshers. Anybody can learn manual testing. Okay. So in software testing, as a software tester, you should know three things. One is testing, that is manual testing. Second, you should know database testing, that is SQL. Okay, SQL is a commanding language. Okay, you will command with the database, how to interact with the database by using the different commands, that is DCL, DDL, DML, TCL, etc. I am going to explain about all these things once I complete the manual testing topics. Next, I will go for SQL. Okay, so in that you are going to learn how we will work in the SQL. Okay, and some more topics are there in SQL, that is joins and subqueries. Okay, all those things you will learn in SQL. So this SQL is mainly used to uh, retrieve the data from the database. Okay, you can retrieve the data, you can modify the data, and you can update the data, or if you want you can delete the data. So you you have to interact with the database, then only you can do all these process. So for that you need some commanding language, that is SQL. Okay, so next, by learning this manual testing and SQL testing, you are not completed with these two things. You can't apply for job by learning only these two technologies. You have to learn automation testing also. That is UI, automation. Along with that automation testing, you should learn one automation testing tool, that is Selenium. Okay, UI means user interface automation. To work with web applications, there are n number of tools available in the market, but Selenium is the most popularly used, and it is open source in the market. So many of the companies use this tool for automation testing. To use this tool, you should know programming language. Okay, that is Java or Python. You should know any two of the languages. Okay, any programming language, then only you can interact with the Selenium tool. Okay, so these both programming language supports the Selenium tool. Once you are ready with these three particular combinations, that is manual testing with the Jira tool and agile process and SQL, and you automation testing with the Selenium tool. If you are perfect in these three technologies, you're ready to apply for the job, and you can get a job in very easier manner. There is no any difficulty in finding the job if you learn only these three technologies. Okay, after entering into the job, if you want to update more in the testing field, you can learn other three technologies. That is, there are n number of technologies, but I am just explaining the basic three things to upgrade yourself in the testing field, that is API or web services testing. Okay, you can test the web applications and API. It is a service process testing. Okay, to test this we are using two tools, that is SOAP UI and Rest Assured. Okay, so if you're strong enough in automation testing, if you're strong enough in automation testing, you can learn this API testing. Okay, and in API testing, uh, what you are going to do means you will just communicate between the database. Okay, so you are getting the database from the you are getting the data from the database, and you are retrieving the data and sending the data to the application. So this communication to do to interact between the database and the application, you use a particular uh, business logical logic as API. Okay, so if you're strong enough in automation, you can learn API, and in API you will get a you have to work like you will get some request. You can get the request from the database, put the request, post the request, and delete the request. In your and if you're interested in learning mobile testing, you can also learn that by using APM tool to learn mobile testing. And if you want to test the applications in the mobile, you can learn that also by using APM tool. Okay, so if you're strong enough in automation and Selenium, you can learn these two. You can upgrade yourself by learning these two technologies, that is API and mobile testing. And if you're strong enough in SQL, if you're strong enough and you are very good having very good knowledge in SQL, you can move on to you can upgrade yourself into ETL and big data testing. ETL is nothing but it is a very basic testing. Okay, it is not much difficulty to learn. So ETL also a database language, you can learn this, or you can move on to big data testing or Adobe. Okay, it is very popular technology used, and people are expecting nowadays with the new technologies like Hive, Spark, Big, MongoDB, etc. So to learn this big data testing, uh, actually the companies are truly saying companies are recruiting the people who are experienced in big data, because it is a wide subject, and you should have a very good knowledge, and you should have an experience, that you have to be worked in that particular field. Only those kind of experienced people will be selected in this particular technology. Okay, so this is what about the technologies you have to learn, and this is the step by step process you have to go on, guys. So please keep this in your mind, and I am there to help you out how to learn all those things. Okay, so without missing my videos, whichever I am uploading every day, you please have a look into that, so that you will get a clear picture on testing, software testing. Okay, I hope this video will be very much important and useful to you. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, and once you subscribe, you will get the notification of my videos, whichever I'm going to upload in future. Okay, thanks for watching video. Thank you guys.